Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need power and permissions first. Plug in the Apple Watch and bring your iPhone within range. On the iPhone, enable Bluetooth and sign into iCloud so health data syncs securely. Open the Watch app and choose Pair New Watch. Follow the animated viewfinder to link devices. Once paired, make sure to allow health and fitness access when prompted, because the app uses motion and heart rate data to track workouts accurately. Now proceed to configure watch settings for fitness tracking. Once paired, open the Watch app and go to Privacy. Enable motion and fitness plus heart rate so the watch records accurate activity metrics. Next, in workout settings, customize auto detection, preferred units, and which metrics appear during workouts. This controls what you see mid-exercise. Make sure to set move, exercise, and stand goals that match your fitness level. These guide daily targets and progress rings. Once done, sync and test, with a short walk to confirm readings are updating correct. You're nearly finished. Update Watch OS and the fitness app so you have the latest features and bug fixes. Start a quick 5-minute outdoor walk or treadmill workout to verify that the activity rings and health app reflect the session. If sync fails, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and iCloud account. Reboot the Apple Watch and iPhone, then recheck health app permissions. If problems persist, unpair and repair as a last resort. This often restores corrupted sync settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.